my friend, welcome to another video with you, Lauren from Lauren Bell. So today another video tutorial. Today I'll show you how to prepare your file on Illustrator to open it after that on artcam. All that after this short break. Like I said before, if you have any file you want to format and you want to open an artcam, you cannot open just like this. There is a steps before that you must do it. So I will show you what to do. So let's go to Illustrator and we open the file that we want to do. Okay, I'll do this flower for example. Okay, like you see this flower, the good quality of course. First thing to do, sorry, let's close all this. Okay, I'll close all this to see all that. No. First thing we do, we trace the image. So to do that, go to window here and search for image trace. Okay, let's do this. So you select here and here you select the black and white and we click trace. Like you see that the quality is better than before, and one of the things you can also change here if you see that your image is not good. Like you see here, the edge and the corner. So you see difference. Noise if there is. So my image is good. So no. That's all you need. The second thing to do is go to objects. After that, go to expand. And here now, picture you have will expand it. So just click OK. Now you see the difference. It would go to all the design we have. So there is one problem. Like you see here, if you put this to your machine, CNC machine or anything, you cut this. Okay, so I don't want to this cut it. So what should we do? Just go to layers here and after that just click here. And you see here the one with blank layer, they are path. They are some path. Okay, I will show you what I'm talking about. We'll just enable this. And if you see here, if I remove this, there is the other path here with this one. Okay, so we will delete all the blank layer. Let's just select this one, select by Control and select this with the left click on the mouse, and after that go below and delete. See now, if we do again and group, you see there is nothing here. Okay, so and voila, here our design. If you want to change the size, it's very simple. Just click on it and you can zoom it like this, or just put the size you want. For example, I want 30 by 30. Okay, and you see that's all. Now the time for save it. To save it, just go to File, Save, and here they give you an option. So there is Illustrator, PDF, Illustrator APS. So we'll save it AE and we give the name 30 by 30 and we write flower for example. Okay, now we go to the path we want to save it. I'll let it here, or we'll just put it here and let's go to desktop. Okay, we save it here and click save. Here you can, if you save it with this format, I started the last version you have. For example, me, I have the 2018 or 2018. I will save it. You see, I will save it. I will show you, because sometimes you will get this error. You get file, new model, put the size and size you want, or the size you want. Okay, doesn't matter the size you have for your machine. And go to now to open this file we create, just go to vector in artcam, go to vector import, and let's do here we have this message. So if you have this message, the EPSAA file doesn't have a valid header. So I will show you the problem where. Okay, just click OK. The problem is with the version, because here is a new version, and artcam here is 2008, and the software we work on Illustrator is 2018. That doesn't accept this version. Okay, so to do that, we'll do it again. Just save as, of course, 30 by 30 flower, save, yes. And here you see the version, just choose H or 3. So I prefer always choose 3 because they will be no problem. Okay, now okay. Now we go to vector, import, and we have this. Like you see now it's work without any problem. And like you see now we have our file. 0 by 0 and a 3, like you see. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If you like the video and that is helpful, please like, share and subscribe.